welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to amend your jeans, like your torn jeans. So for example, we want to work on this particular jean. You see the way it is torn. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to do it yourself at home. So I really want you to watch this video to the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go there. So number one thing that you need your needle and thread first. So your needle and thread, I've done mine already. So I really want you to pay close attention to what I'm doing. So the way it is now, see the trouser, the way it is torn, you take it to the, you bring it out like this. So look at the way it is now. Now you take your needle and thread, something that you can do it yourself. Like, so actually they worked on this trouser before, but I still want to teach you on how you can do it better. So you pick it from here, take your needle and thread, look at, you take it, wow, see the way it is going, see, you bring it, you put it inside, take it out from the other end, done it, close that side, take the other one again. Just pay close attention to what I'm doing, you're gonna get it. Watch this video over and over, you get it. So all your torn trousers at home is something you can do yourself without taking it to the tailor. See the way I'm doing it now. Take it out, do it, close it yourself. You are rushing to a party and you discover that your jean has torn. Just take your needle and thread and do it yourself without stress, and to save you from any form of delay looking for somebody to amend it for you, you do it yourself. Wow, see how beautiful it is. So, and the other link, you'll see some other my other videos on how to do some simple little things on your clothes, like for example on how you can just fix button on your clothes, or do some other things on your clothes without anybody assisting you. So see what I'm doing now. See, if you're paying close attention to what I'm doing, you repeat it over and over again, until you're done with it, like over and over. Wow, beautiful. So you close the sewing, you're done already. Take your scissors and cut it, and let's see the end product. Wow, see how beautiful it is now. So we already closed it. Now if you still want to do more to this to the sewing, you can use another cloth from the back to cover it and iron it. So